What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video today is all about this Skull Candy Push Active. This kind of earbud is meant for the people who are working out, especially like me. I'm cycling so many times, so I would like that kind of earbud, which is really dope. And throughout this kind of earbud, enough of me talking, let us just get started throughout this video of today. Yeah, as you can see guys here, which I have, it's a Skull Candy Push Active. Now it's a really nice one. What I like about it, you can connect it via Spotify and you can use their app to control each kind of entirely everything. It's really kind of cool, right? We have seen it, it's really dope on the box, but what's so special about it? Let us just unbox it and see what's packed inside, and we see the specification which it has. So as some of you guys who are working out, especially like if you're doing a lot of workouts, this is something which you want to get. Here we have it. This is our Skull Candy Push Active. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside, because I'm really pumped to see what's in here, and it will be really cool. So let us just see what's happening inside through the box, and we check it out. Paperwork in here which says let's get started, and as you can see here, you can scan your QR code to download the app, which is really great because you can control these kind of earbuds throughout the app, which is really kind of great. So as you can see here, controls having trouble and many more stuff going on, and on this side too it has it on French. So yeah, so guys, there we go, a really nice and amazing kind of packaging. So we're gonna get started throughout here. I want to see what's inside this kind of box because I'm so thrilled and pumped to see what's happening. So we are getting a paperwork, a user guide, I can say, Push Active series, which is great. You can read all of this if you have time. It's really important to read this kind of paperwork sometimes to help you out to know what's happening. So yeah, you're getting some extra tips which you can just interchange throughout your bud, which is really impressive. Last but not least guys, you're getting a Type-C cable with the USB reversible, which you can keep it this way depending on you how much you want it, which is a shorter one. I don't know why, because it's just a bud, you can keep it somewhere. So guys, what you're getting through this kind of bad boy, it's really awesome. We're gonna just unbox it just like that, and whoa, that looks really great. And do you think what I'm thinking is painting it? So I'm thinking about painting it too. It's really looking great, and we're gonna add some custom paint later on. I'll share with you guys on my Instagram account. If you didn't check it out, you're supposed to just check out my Instagram account, so as you can see what workflow I usually put through. So throughout here on the buds, you can see how much they look like. They're really looking great and they're really awesome. I like the way they are. They're looking awesome. The color wise, it's great. It's like gray and bluish mixed up, which is really kind of not that much offset. The charging case looks really bigger, gigantic, to be honest, compared to my sound core here. As you can see guys, this sound core, it's a little bit like different with this kind of buds case of Skull Candy. This looks really bigger, really bigger, because it can hold a lot of juice. And we're going to check out throughout the specifications so as we can see what's happening. Before we test the buds, let us just talk about the specification of this kind of buds. So yeah, let's talk about the Skull Candy Push Active specification. Well, it comes with the 3 variety of colors, which is dark blue green, light gray blue, and black orange, which is really kind of great. And another kind of stuff, it has a smart feature technology, and it offers you a hands-free voice control, and it has 44 hours of total battery, and it's an IP55 sweat and water resistant, and it has an update feature through the Skull Candy app, and you can find it with your tiles, or you can call it, it's an integrated with tile technology, which if you lose them, you can just find them easily, and it's really great. So guys, right now we're gonna just test them out throughout our ears, how much they feel like, and we start playing music and experience how good they are to it. So this is my right ear, stays this way, and this one is for the left one. You can see here, this is for the left, so you just keep it this way. And to be honest, they're keeping themselves locked. That's what I like about it. It's locked. It's you feel it that it's inside of you. You feel it like it's inside. As you can see guys, it's really looking great. quite not bad. It's really awesome. So it's standing out and giving you that much kind of feel. Whenever you're walking out, you won't lose, like you go left and right, you know. If you're punching in, you know what I mean, I can't bring it on. Let me just give you some 1 2 1 3 4. just like that, it won't fall off, which is really impressive about this kind of earbuds. Now we're gonna just test them out and see what's so goody about it. And another kind of stuff, guys, you can see there's a blue buttons in here, which they're really great. They're not for decoration. These kind of buttons, they're pressable buttons. You can press them and still listen to the music, which is really impressive. And it doesn't have a touch control. No touch control. Definitely there's no any touch control on this kind of Skull Candy buds, but you can use your voice to control them, which is really impressive. And the microphone, let's test the microphone and see what's happening. So guys, my voice right now is being recorded via the microphone testing, and it's really impressive. You can hear how much my sound is peaking. Let me say I'm working out and I'm talking with someone on the phone call, how much it's peaking. Well, it's peaking really cool, and you can hear them really great. So that's how the microphone is speaking from the Skull Candy Push Active. So for some of you guys may be asking, this is the sound peaking on the Skull Candy Push Active. So yeah, guys, that's it about this kind of Skull Candy Push Active. They're really awesome. You can just play music on the go. You can even talk to it, which is really great. And the app, man, it's really great because it showcases you throughout the buds what's happening, what's on glance, and you can interact with it, which is really awesome. That's what's up, guys. Up to on the next one. I hope you enjoyed on this video today. This is the Push Active. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking, because for me, to be honest, because I'm working out so many times, so I would like something which it's sticking in my ears compared to the Soundcore Live 2, which I've been using for a while. So this is my bigger thing, which I can say, yeah, Skull Candy, I like it, and it's really dope. It's on budget. It's not that much expensive. It's budget, so you can just check out the link down below in the description so as you can get the inquiry. So that's what's up, guys. You're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one, and peace.